In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom ElevenLabs voices to Voiceflow. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. To kick things off, the very first step is to obtain your ElevenLabs API key. This key is essential as it allows Voiceflow to communicate with ElevenLabs, giving you access to those unique voice options. So start by logging into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're in, you'll see a menu on the left sidebar. Look for the option labeled Developers. Give that a click. After clicking on Developers, you'll want to navigate to the API Keys section. This is where you can manage your keys. To create a new key, simply click the Create Key button. It's important to grant the right permissions here, specifically permissions for voices. This ensures that your key has the capabilities to handle voice functions in your project. Once you've granted the appropriate permissions, you'll see a generated API key pop up. Make sure to copy that key. You'll need it shortly. Now that you have your API key, let's move on to Voiceflow. Open your Voiceflow project and in the left panel, look for the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on this will take you into your project settings where you can manage a range of options. From here, navigate to the Integrations section. In the Integrations tab, you'll see a list of various services that you can connect to your Voiceflow project. Look for the ElevenLabs integration. It might take a bit of scrolling, but it should be there. Once you spot it, go ahead and select it. This is where the magic of turning your text into speech begins. Now it's time to connect ElevenLabs to your project. You'll see a designated field where you can input your ElevenLabs API key. Go ahead and paste the key you copied earlier into that field. This action links your Voiceflow project with ElevenLabs, enabling you to utilize those custom voices. After you paste it, don't forget to click the Save button. If all goes well, you should now have your custom voices ready and available for use inside your Voiceflow project. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom ElevenLabs voices to your Voiceflow project. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing the interactivity and engagement of your creations. Before you go, remember that experimenting with these voices can lead to some really unique outcomes, so don't hesitate to try out different voices for different contexts in your project. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help you troubleshoot. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful,